Welcome to Edu Posters, where we make learning easy with our interactive brain maps. Our interactive brain maps are designed to help you plan and learn effectively. In this interactive mind map and learning guide, each part of the Constitution of India is explained in the simplest terms, making it easier for you to understand and remember. For instance, if you want to learn about important cases relevant to the Constitution of India, just click on Important Cases. This will take you to the Important Cases mind map. From there, you can select each case. Each case is explained as simply as possible, detailing what it is about and who the parties are. Similarly, you can select any topic related to the Constitution, and each one is written in the simplest terms. Our interactive ebook ensures that you can grasp even the most complex topics with ease. Use the navigation menu to explore different sections of the PDF. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. To download this interactive brain map and learning guide, click on the link in the description below. Make your learning journey easier and more efficient with Edu Posters. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.